Hereditary unit. 7th grade vocabulary, Mrs. Raos-Marconi. Allele. Variations of a gene relating to the same trait, like the tall and short version of the gene for height in garden peas. The picture on the right shows a tall plant and a short plant. Dominant. An allele that produces the visible or measurable trait in an organism and is expressed over recessive genes. Dominant alleles are represented by a capital letter. For example, capital letter B. On the right, the chart is for brown eyes being a dominant eye allele. The capital B's indicate which is dominant. Recessive. An allele that is expressed only when the dominant allele is not present. Recessive alleles are represented by a lowercase letter. For example, the lowercase b. On the right, the chart for eye color blue with the lowercase b shows that it's a recessive gene. Genotype. The genetic makeup of an organism's combination of alleles. On the right, the picture shows the genotypes, and they're indicated by either a capital P or a lowercase p. Phenotype. This is what an organism looks like as a consequence of the genotype, the physical appearance of an organism, which gives us the color purple in this case and white as well, indicated in the picture. Homozygous. Possessing two copies of the same allele, both dominant or both recessive for a specific trait. Example, uppercase B and uppercase B, or lowercase b and lowercase b. Heterozygous. Possessing two different alleles for a specific trait. Example, uppercase b and lowercase b. Trait. A feature or characteristic of an organism that can be tested for or observed and is controlled by genetics. The picture on the right indicates the trait of eye color. Chromosome. A thread-like structure of nucleic acid and protein found in the nucleus of most living cells, carrying genetic information in the form of genes. Genes, the basic physical and functional unit of hereditary made up of DNA. In the picture, you'll notice that the chromosome is the smallest version. When it's wrapped together, it forms the gene. Hereditary. The process of characteristics transmitted from a parent to its offspring. In the picture, you will notice how this works, mother and father to child. Thank you and enjoy your day.